Salvora Rhodiola Rosea is being promoted as a natural supplement that claims to reduce stress, ease anxiety, and improve overall mental balance. But the real question is whether it actually works or just sounds convincing. The product is typically sold as a herbal supplement based on Rhodiola Rosea, a plant traditionally used to help the body cope with stress and fatigue. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Some research suggests Rhodiola may help improve stress resilience and reduce mild anxiety symptoms by influencing the body's stress response system. There are even small human studies showing reduced self-reported stress and anxiety after short-term use. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong clinical evidence proving that Salvora's specific formula delivers consistent or significant results, and many health authorities say the overall evidence for Rhodiola is still limited and not conclusive. There are also some concerns with supplements like this. Effects can vary depending on dosage, extract quality, and individual response, and some people may experience side effects or no noticeable benefit at all. User experiences tend to be mixed. Some report feeling calmer or less fatigued, while others say it had little effect or even made them feel more stimulated rather than relaxed. It's also important to understand that stress and anxiety are complex conditions. Real improvement often comes from lifestyle changes, therapy, or medical support rather than relying on a single supplement. So, does Salvora Rhodiola Rosea actually reduce stress and anxiety? It may offer mild support, but it's not a guaranteed or clinically proven solution. The bottom line is that Salvora Rhodiola Rosea is based on a promising ingredient, but the product itself is likely overhyped with limited strong evidence, so expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.